Hello, so on this video I'm going to teach you how to request money on the Cash App application. So since we don't have Cash App in our country as of now, I'm gonna use visual aids to help you go with this one, okay? So I'm just gonna pull up my first visual aids right there. So this should be the one. So this should be the landing page of Cash App, right? Now to request money right there, simply go on the recent transaction first to check all of your money. So this is going to be all that came through with your money and that has been deducted. And then to request money, go back to the landing page, of course, by clicking this dollar sign right there. Now to request the certain amount, please type in on the keypad, for example, $4 right there. After typing $4 right here, simply click on this request button. After clicking request button right here, Cash App will direct you on this contact list. Just type in the name of this exact people or person you want to request the money to for what you owed. And then just add a little note right there if you want to, and then simply click on this request button on the top right section. After clicking on that one, Cash App will send a notification to that person that you're requesting money to. And then they're just gonna accept it, and then the Cash App money will be transferred to your account. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys to the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.